Our next guest is helping you stay comfortable in your home year-round by making sure your AC unit is working properly and also those drain clogs are taken care of. I want you to please welcome Henry Rodriguez, General Manager with Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing San Antonio. How are you?
I'm good.
Well, congratulations on 85 years.
85 years is a long time. Yeah, well, we appreciate that.
Yeah, it's a long time to be in business, but you guys do a great job. Okay, it's going to start turning cooler.
It is.
Hasn't yet, but it is going to start turning cooler. What should the folks that are watching, what should they remember?
Well, you know, especially for your furnace, because we're going into furnace season, right? We're going to turn them on after this long, hard summer of these systems running.
Right.
First thing I always recommend everybody do is get in there and let's get that one worn out replacement filter just changed.
Look at that.
Should look like this. When they look like this, that's no good, right? So that's one of the first things we always want to tell our customers to do is definitely want to make sure that they work and look for these and get those changed out. The other thing is if you had your roof replaced, I think you said you just did, right?
I did it, yeah, I just did.
These guys right here, they come disconnected. These are your vent pipes. This gets the carbon dioxide out of your house.
Right.
So super important. Take a peek up there. Look.
Not only that, but you'll get a leak if it's not.
Oh.
If it's not in there properly.
Yeah, that's poisonous. Very bad.
By the way, going back to this, this is a terrible filter. I mean, it's probably one of the worst I've ever seen. How often should people replace a filter?
On the filters, at least once a quarter.
Okay.
At a minimum, once a quarter.
About once every 3 months or so.
Yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
that makes sense. Okay, you brought some goodies here.
I did.
Okay. Now you've got the plumbing system. You got to take care of that. What's some of the things that folks need to remember about taking care of the plumbing system?
We want to make sure we're scraping our plates, right? We want to make sure that we don't put these type of vegetables, very fibery, carby, carbon stuff and grease down your drains. Just don't want to do that.
What is the problem? Will it like coat?
Oh yeah. Well, you have pipes this size. When you're looking at your underneath your sink, we have pipes like this. I mean, they literally will fill that hole up so fast, and it just congeals, and it's done.
Yeah. Once you have some deposit here, then it'll really just
it build up,
build up, and then you got a problem.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you got a big problem then. Okay. How about those hard water stains? I hate them. Is there anything we can do about those?
Oh, absolutely. So there's a product called Lemmy Shine you can put inside your dishwasher, especially in the kitchen. You want to put that in there. Just a little bit of vinegar you can put in there as well. Just gets rid of those spots. Also, getting them out of the dishwasher and wiping them right away, that helps really well.
You know what? I never thought about that. Vinegar works pretty good with that, huh?
Absolutely.
Okay, very good. And also, you have got a special offer for 85 years in business.
We do, and it's $85 off any repairs that you may need done at your house right now.
All right. And what do people need to do if they want to find out more information?
Go to our website, Goettl.com/San Antonio.
Okay, and that's Goettl.
It'll keep you cool, but it's hard to spell.
I love it. All right. Thank you for coming on the show, man.
Absolutely.
All right, and keeping the homes working properly.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you, sir. All right.